Hello folks, welcome to the channel. If you wish to learn how to change country or region in the Microsoft Store, then watch this video. Now it's very simple folks to change the country or regional settings for Microsoft Store. Just right click on the start button, go to settings and then click on time and language and then language and region, and then in the country or region scroll down on the button and you can change your region. Now just to suggest that this is not going to help you download apps which are barred in the country which you're using the internet from, or you're downloading the app from. The only thing you can achieve by changing the country or region settings is that the Microsoft Store will recommend more content from the country that you have set it. For example, if I set it to United Kingdom, then the windows and apps might use your country or region to give you local content. So I will get more apps from the UK based on the UK based regional uh, bestsellers. So that is the only thing you can do, and you cannot download apps that are restricted in your country by just changing the country in the settings pane. If this video helped you, then kindly subscribe to the channel. Enjoy your day.